Welcome to today's video about the benefits of castor oil for hair growth over 50. Raise your hand if you've noticed your hair thinning or falling out more than it used to. Yeah, me too. It's a frustrating reality for many of us as we get older. Whether it's due to menopause, stress, or just plain genetics, losing our luscious locks can be a real blow to our confidence. But here's the good news. You don't have to settle for thin, lifeless hair. There's a natural, budget-friendly solution that could help bring back your hair's volume, shine, and thickness. And guess what? It's that same wonder ingredient we talked about for glowing skin, castor oil. If you have not watched our previous video on castor oil for mature skin, your natural solution to wrinkles, dryness, and more, please do so, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to be notified anytime we upload a new video. I'm Joyetti, and in this video we're diving deep into the amazing benefits of castor oil for hair growth over 50. We'll tackle your biggest questions like, does it actually work after menopause, and is it safe for color-treated hair? So, get ready to discover how this simple kitchen staple could be the key to revitalizing your hair and boosting your confidence. I know you're probably brimming with questions about castor oil and its potential to revitalize your hair. It's totally normal to be curious and maybe even a little skeptical. So let's dive into some of the most common questions I've come across from women just like you. Does castor oil really work for hair growth after menopause? The answer is a resounding yes. But let me explain how. Menopause can trigger a whole host of hair issues from thinning and shedding to overall lackluster locks. Castor oil has properties that can help combat these changes. It's loaded with ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that not only nourishes the scalp, but also improves blood circulation to the hair follicles. This increased blood flow delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to your hair roots, creating an environment where your hair can thrive. Think of it as giving your hair follicles a revitalizing wake-up call. Can castor oil help with thinning eyebrows and eyelashes? Absolutely. Castor oil isn't just for the hair on your head. It can work wonders for those delicate areas too. Many women experience eyebrow and eyelash thinning as they age, but castor oil's nourishing properties can help promote growth and fullness. The same ricinoleic acid that benefits your scalp also works its magic on your brows and lashes. By hydrating and strengthening the hair follicles in these areas, castor oil can help them grow longer, thicker, and darker. It's like a natural growth serum for your brows and lashes. Is castor oil safe for color-treated hair? Great question. In general, castor oil is safe for color-treated hair. However, like any new product, it's always a good idea to do a strand test first. Apply a small amount to a hidden section of hair and leave it on for a few hours to see if there's any adverse reaction. If everything looks good, you're good to go. Castor oil is actually quite gentle and doesn't contain harsh chemicals that could strip your hair color. In fact, it can even help to condition and moisturize color-treated hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and vibrant. How often should I use castor oil for hair growth? There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as it depends on your hair type and individual needs. However, a good starting point is to use castor oil on your scalp and hair 2 to 3 times a week. If you have a very dry scalp or hair, you may want to use it more often. Conversely, if you have oily hair, you might want to use it less frequently. Pay attention to how your hair and scalp respond and adjust your usage accordingly. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with castor oil. Okay, now that we've addressed those common concerns, let's dive into the exciting part. Why castor oil is a true champion for hair growth, especially for us fabulous women over 50. It's not just hype, my friends. This natural oil packs a powerful punch when it comes to revitalizing your hair. Nourishes and strengthens hair follicles, the foundation of healthy hair. Think of your hair follicles as the roots of your hair's strength and vitality. If they're not healthy, your hair won't be either. Castor oil is a nutrient powerhouse packed with essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and minerals like zinc and iron. These nutrients nourish and fortify your hair follicles, giving them the building blocks they need to produce strong, healthy hair. Ricinoleic acid, the star player in castor oil, is particularly beneficial. It not only nourishes but also helps to balance the scalp's pH level, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Improves blood circulation to the scalp, the delivery system for gorgeous hair. Healthy hair growth relies on good blood circulation. When blood flows freely to your scalp, It delivers oxygen and essential nutrients to your hair follicles, fueling their growth and keeping them strong. Castor oil's thick consistency makes it an ideal massage oil. When you massage it into your scalp, it stimulates blood flow, ensuring your hair follicles get the nourishment they need to thrive. Think of it as a mini workout for your scalp. Reduces inflammation and soothes scalp conditions. The key to a happy scalp. Many hair issues like hair loss and thinning can be linked to scalp inflammation or conditions like dandruff and dryness. Castor oil has natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help to soothe and heal the scalp. By reducing inflammation and balancing the scalp's natural oils, castor oil creates a healthier environment for hair growth. It can also alleviate itching and irritation, leaving your scalp feeling comfortable and refreshed. Moisturizes and conditions hair. Say goodbye to dry, brittle strands. Castor oil isn't just for your scalp, it works wonders on your hair strands too. Its moisturizing properties help to hydrate and condition your hair, preventing dryness, breakage, and split ends. By sealing in moisture and smoothing the hair cuticle, castor oil adds shine, softness, and manageability to your hair. It's like a natural deep conditioner that leaves your hair looking and feeling its best. Promotes growth of eyebrows and eyelashes, enhance your natural beauty. If you're longing for thicker, fuller eyebrows and eyelashes, castor oil can come to the rescue. Its nourishing and stimulating properties extend to these areas as well. When applied regularly, castor oil can help to strengthen and thicken the hair follicles in your brows and lashes, promoting growth and fullness. It's a natural alternative to expensive growth serums that can deliver impressive results. Alright ladies, are you ready to give your hair some castor oil love? Let's dive into the practical steps of how to use this magical oil to achieve thicker, fuller hair and bolder brows and lashes. It's simpler than you might think. Scalp massage, the relaxing path to hair growth. Scalp massage isn't just a luxurious spa treatment, it's a key step in promoting hair growth. When you massage castor oil into your scalp, you're not only nourishing your hair follicles, but you're also increasing blood flow, which delivers vital nutrients and oxygen to those roots. To do a castor oil scalp massage, start by warming up the oil slightly. Then, apply it directly to your scalp, and use your fingertips to massage it in gently. Use circular motions and apply gentle pressure for about 5 to 10 minutes. This relaxing ritual not only feels amazing, but it's also doing wonders for your hair. Overnight treatment, deep conditioning while you sleep. If you want to give your hair an extra dose of nourishment, try an overnight castor oil treatment. Simply apply the oil to your scalp and hair, working it through from root to tip. Then, put on a shower cap to protect your pillowcase and catch any drips. In the morning, wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo and conditioner. You might need to shampoo twice to remove all the oil, but trust me, it's worth it. Your hair will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and nourished. Hair mask, a nourishing treat for your tresses. Who doesn't love a good hair mask? They're like a spa treatment for your hair. You can easily create your own hair mask with castor oil and other hair-loving ingredients like coconut oil, honey, or avocado. Simply mix your chosen ingredients together and apply the mask to your hair, focusing on the scalp and ends. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for deeper conditioning. Then, shampoo and condition as usual. Your hair will thank you for the extra love and attention. Eyebrow and eyelash serum, luscious brows and lashes, naturally. If you're longing for thicker, fuller brows and lashes, castor oil is your secret weapon. Dip a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab into the oil and gently apply it to your eyebrows and eyelashes before bed. The nourishing properties of castor oil can help to strengthen and stimulate hair growth in these areas. Be consistent with your application and you may start to see results in a few weeks. Remember, patience is key. Okay ladies, now that you know how to use castor oil, let's talk about where to get the good stuff. Not all castor oils are created equal, so I want to share some of my top recommendations to help you find the perfect one for your hair care journey. Sky Organics Castor Oil, the multitasker for hair and skin. If you're looking for a versatile castor oil that works wonders for both your hair and skin, Sky Organics is a fantastic option. It's USDA certified organic, cold-pressed, and hexane-free, ensuring you're getting the purest, most potent form of the oil. What I love about this brand is that it comes in a generous size, so you can use it liberally on your scalp, hair, and even your skin. It's also incredibly budget-friendly, making it a great choice for those of us who want maximum value for our money. Cate Blanc Cosmetics, Castor Oil, the Lash and Brow Queen. If your main concern is thinning eyebrows and eyelashes, I highly recommend checking out Cate Blanc Cosmetics Castor Oil. It not only comes with the high-quality organic oil you need for hair growth, but it also includes a convenient eyelash and eyebrow kit for easy application. The included brushes and spoolie make it super simple to apply the oil to your brows and lashes, ensuring every hair gets its fair share of nourishment. The formula is gentle yet effective, and many users report seeing impressive results in terms of thickness and fullness. Heritage Store Castor Oil. The trusted classic Heritage Store is a brand that's been around for ages and for good reason. Their castor oil is a classic favorite among natural beauty enthusiasts. It's certified organic, cold-pressed, and available in a large bottle, so you'll have plenty to use for all your hair care needs. This castor oil is a great all-rounder, perfect for scalp massages, overnight treatments, and even DIY hair masks. Its quality and purity have stood the test of time, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to revitalize their hair. Important note: just a heads up, ladies, I may earn a small commission if you purchase any of these products through the links in the description box below. This helps support my channel and allows me to continue creating helpful content for you. However, I only recommend products that I genuinely believe in and use myself. I hope this helps you find the perfect castor oil to nourish your hair and achieve the healthy, beautiful locks you deserve. Alright, my lovely viewers, before you embark on your castor oil hair growth adventure, I want to share some additional tips and precautions to help you get the most out of this natural remedy and avoid any unwanted surprises. After all, knowledge is power. Dilute with a carrier oil. A gentle touch for sensitive scalps. Castor oil is quite potent, and some people with sensitive scalps might find it a bit irritating on its own. If you're worried about sensitivity, simply dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or sweet almond oil. This not only makes the castor oil gentler on your scalp but also easier to spread and wash out. A general rule of thumb is to mix 1 part castor oil with 2 parts carrier oil. You can adjust the ratio based on your individual needs and sensitivity. Patience is key. Hair growth takes time. I know, we all want instant results. But when it comes to hair growth, patience is truly a virtue. Castor oil isn't a magic potion that will give you Rapunzel-like hair overnight. It takes time for the oil to work its magic, nourish your follicles, and stimulate growth. Be consistent with your application. And don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Most people start to notice improvements in hair thickness and growth within a few weeks or months of regular use. Hang in there, your patience will pay off. Cleanse thoroughly, avoid buildup and grease. Castor oil is thick and can leave a residue on your hair if not washed out properly. To avoid buildup and greasy hair, make sure you shampoo your hair thoroughly after each use. You might need to shampoo twice to ensure all the oil is removed. Follow up with your favorite conditioner to keep your hair hydrated and manageable. And remember, a clean scalp is a happy scalp. Listen to your hair. Pay attention to its needs. Every head of hair is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Pay attention to how your hair and scalp respond to castor oil. If you notice any irritation or excessive dryness, reduce the frequency of use or dilute the oil further. On the other hand, if your hair is loving the castor oil treatment, you can gradually increase the frequency or duration of application. The key is to find what works best for your individual hair type and needs. Well, lovely ladies, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've delved into the common concerns about using castor oil for hair growth, explored its amazing benefits for your scalp and strands, and learned how to incorporate it into your hair care routine. We've also shared some top product recommendations to get you started on your journey to thicker, fuller hair and luscious brows and lashes. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for more information on these amazing castor oil products. Remember, beautiful hair starts at the root. Nourish your scalp, be patient, and embrace the power of natural ingredients like castor oil. You deserve to feel confident and fabulous with the hair you've always dreamed of. Before I sign off, I want to invite you to check out my next video, where we'll explore the surprising benefits of castor oil for joint pain relief. Yes, this versatile oil can even help soothe those achy joints. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. If you haven't seen my previous video on using castor oil for mature skin, be sure to check it out. It's full of tips and tricks for achieving a radiant, youthful complexion. You can find it linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, take care of your beautiful hair and embrace your natural radiance.